Educators are increasingly aware of AI's potential to transform teaching and learning. But do they know how to effectively integrate AI into their classrooms? Brian Stamford, Program Director for Accountability and Innovative Practices at the Allegheny Intermediate Unit, has recently witnessed a huge surge in demand for AI-related professional development in schools.
In the 2023-2024 school year, one of the most frequent requests of me for professional development and consultation related to AI tools. Questions like, could you come talk to our staff about AI tools and how might they use them? Can you talk to our English teachers about tools they can use to identify AI plagiarism? One of the things that was apparent early on, though not surprising, is the fundamental need for professional development for teachers. With AI having rolled out only within the past 2 or 3 years to the public, it's safe to say that almost none of the teachers in our schools had any coursework or formal training in using AI tools. In my 30 years in education, I can't think of another topic in which there was such a high demand for professional development among teachers.
The Allegheny Intermediate Unit's AI Fellows program was created to meet this significant demand for professional development, thanks to generous support of the Henry L. Hillman Foundation. Brian Stamford plays a key role in facilitating this program. Educators in the AI Fellows program who are exploring key issues surrounding AI professional development reflect on potential obstacles.
I'd say teacher implementation, so getting a bigger group of teachers comfortable and confident in using these tools, so designing spaces or designing prompts that work with what they're actually trying to teach the students is one challenge, and mostly just, time for teachers to explore and do and build is always at a premium.
I'm focusing on professional development. I know a lot of my colleagues are very unsure of new technology. I'm pretty comfortable with technology, but some of them aren't as comfortable, and so my action research has to do with professional development and helping to get them more comfortable with using AI in the classroom.
Providing teachers with knowledge of new tools and implementation strategies is crucial for enhancing instruction and student engagement.
Teaching is such an empowering position, and we need to provide the resources for teachers to continue to learn, to continue to grow, especially as the world around us is changing so rapidly.
So my action research topic is based off of professional development and implementing resources for the students and the staff, as well as creating guardrails through policy and regulations to support implementing the resources into the classrooms and show them new tools and what's out there, what they could implement and how to implement it, and basically give them all the knowledge they possibly can to improve the instruction for their kids to have more engaging and meaningful activities and learning.
To effectively integrate AI, we must focus on building a shared understanding within the educational community.
In our district, we actually created what we're calling the AI core team. As a group, we're working together to implement all these different avenues to have a consistent approach, support our teachers, and create meaningful work for our students from a K-12 perspective throughout the district.
While AI offers powerful learning tools, it's essential to consider its responsible and ethical application.
I think right now a big thing that we have to do is to teach the staff and the students the right way to use it, the proper way to use it, not as a cheating tool, but more as a thought partner and a co-pilot to help you throughout your educational journey.
Professional development is not just about learning to use AI tools. It's about empowering educators to become confident and effective leaders in the age of AI. By providing teachers with the necessary support, resources, and training, we can unlock the transformative potential of AI to enhance teaching and learning for all learners. This vision is becoming a reality thanks to innovative initiatives like the Allegheny Intermediate Unit's AI Fellows program in southwestern Pennsylvania, ensuring that AI serves as a powerful catalyst for educational advancement.